I got this pretzel. It has butter in it. They didn't have like a salted pretzel with cheese. I guess it's different, obviously. It's a different country. So I got the one with the butter. It's actually really good. I never thought to have like a pretzel with butter before. It's good stuff. With this view. My afternoon lake walk. The Swiss Alps. Look at this amazing hotel. Was this the one with the moon shining different colors last night? I think it was. I didn't realize the flash until now. Why do I feel like some movie was filmed here? I think one of the Bollywood movies was filmed here. Because I remember this hotel. I think I've seen this before. I can't quite remember where or when I've seen this before, but I've seen this hotel before. Next time I'm in Luzern, I'm going to stay at this hotel. Hopefully I'll be here with someone special. So then I don't have to keep trying to take awkward selfies. Have someone to go ziplining with, do adventure sports with. Canoeing, on a glacier walk, do all of those things. But I need someone there with me because I can't do that alone. Some of those activities I have done alone and I've been fine, but now I have health issues like asthma and it's not safe for me to be up there alone like that. I need someone trusted who can take care of me. Everyone does. It's amazing how I managed to solo travel the world. It's actually really, really rare for someone to solo travel the way I do. It's quite, I have to say, beautiful because I don't know anyone who does what I do. But I'm ready for a travel partner. I have been. People couldn't even take me on proper adventure dates that I would enjoy to try to get to know one another faithfully, honestly, openly, respectfully. And then there's me who takes myself on dates around the world like this. Beautiful lake walks with the Swiss Alps. Fondue. That's what I want. Boat rides. I'm sure there's someone out there. There's someone out there for everyone. I just had a long list of qualities I wanted. Maybe that's why it took longer to manifest. Because I wasn't going to settle for someone ordinary. Cute kiddo. I love kids. I just love playing with them. They're so cute. But it's about time. Come on, we gotta get going because I want to have a travel family. I'm getting older. I don't have time to waste anymore. Okay, well, that's enough for my vlog. I'm off to Interlaken. My hair keeps flying in my face. It's so cute. Hey, doggy. So cute. Till next time. Ciao. Bye.